Hello, welcome again. We are covering GATE Aerospace Engineering syllabus. Section 1 is Engineering Mathematics and the core topic is calculus. So we have discussed limit and next subtopic is continuity. So definition of continuity is a function is continuous at a fixed point if we can draw the graph of the function around that point without lifting the pen from the plane of the paper. Okay, suppose we have this function fx is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, and we want to draw its graph at x is equal to 1. So if we choose x is equal to 1, then we get 5 here. And if we choose slightly less than x is equal to 1, suppose 0.9, we get some value. Okay, and if we choose slightly more than x is equal to 1, so 1.1. So then we can draw the graph from starting from 0.9 to 1.1 without lifting pen. Okay, for this function. So that's why this will be a continuous function. So this is the definition of continuous function. A function is continuous at a fixed point if we can draw the graph of the function around that point without lifting the pen from the plane of the paper. Okay. And second definition is a function is continuous at x is equal to c if the function is defined at x is equal to c and if the value of the function at x is equal to c equals the limit of the function at x is equal to c. Okay, so understand this definition. Suppose the function is defined at x is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the function at x is equal to 1. If we put the value of x as 1, then the value of this function will be 5. And if we solve it by limit, taking limit of x is equal to 1, then we will get the value of limit as 5 also. So here, so in both the cases, we get the value of limit as well as the value of the function and value of the limit of the function as 5. So when the limit of the function and again reading out, a function is continuous at x is equal to c if the function is defined at x is equal to c, it is defined, and if the value of the function at x equals the limit of the function at x equal to c. So limit of the function and value of the function is same at any point, then it is continuous at that point. If f is not continuous at c, we say f is discontinuous at c, and c is called point of discontinuity of f. So this is the function and this is given by single equation. So single equation function are always continuous because there is one equation for all the numbers. Okay, so this is continuous at all the points. So when there are two different reasons for suppose x less than 0, there is some other equation, and x more than 0, there is some other equation, then it may be discontinuous. Okay, but single equation functions are always continuous. Okay, so now we check this example. Check the continuity of the function f given by fx 2x plus 3 at x is equal to 1. So we'll find out the limit of the function. The limit of the function will be found like this: limit x is equal to 1 fx, putting the value of function 2x plus 3, putting limit, so it will be 5, and value of the function at x is equal to 1 is we directly putting value 5. So limit of the function and value of the function is same, so it is continuous function. A function represented by a single curve, because it is a single line can represent this function. Okay, so a function represented by single curve is always continuous. Okay, at all points. So this is continuous at 1, it is continuous at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any point. Okay, so fx is continuous at any point. So a function represented by a single curve is continuous at all points, is always continuous. Now take another example. Examine whether the function f given by fx is equal to x square is continuous at x is equal to 0. So this is also single curve. So this will also be a continuous function at all the points. Okay. So limit x tends to 0, fx, limit x tends to 0, x square is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the value of limit, and value of the function at x is equal to 0 is 0. So the value of the function and limit of the function equals, so f is continuous at x is equal to 0. So that is the method to find out the continuity. So next example, discuss the continuity of the function f given by fx modulus x at x is equal to 0. So modulus x by definition can be written as this minus x if x is less than 0. Okay, and plus x if x is greater than equal to 0. And modulus x can be written in this way. Okay, now if we draw its graph, then we get positive value of fx, whether x is negative or it is positive. If we take negative value of x, then we will follow this equation, and if we put -1, then we get fx as 1. If we put -2, then you get fx as 2. Okay. Similarly, if we put x for this part, if we take x is equal to 1, we get fx as 1. If we take x is equal to 2, we get fx is equal to. So this is the graph for this part. Okay. So this graph can be drawn without lifting pen from the paper. Okay. Because here we will start from here, go to 0, and then we will draw positive side. So this is continuous function. So other way to check. So now if we take left hand limit of 0, we have to check the continuity at x is 0, left hand limit, then this equation will be followed. Okay. So limit x 0 minus fx will be here, limit x 0 minus value of fx for negative side is minus x. So we put x equal 0, we get 0. And right hand side limit x 0 plus fx, and limit x 0 plus value of fx is x, this is 0. So now left hand side limit and right hand side limit are same, and value of the function at x is equal to 0 is also 0. So now limits are same, right hand limit of the function is 0, value of the function is 0, so it is continuous at x is equal to 0. Okay. So now fourth example, show that the function f is f given by fx x cube plus 3 if x not equal to 0, and 1 if x equal to 0, is not continuous at x equal to 0. So if we if we want to find out the limit of the function, we'll take x on negative side, x on positive side, and of 0. Okay, x on negative side is 0 and x on positive side is 0. So for negative and positive, the equation is this. Okay, so it means the limit of the function is represented by limit x tends to 0 fx by this equation. Okay, so if we put the limit, we get limit of the function as 3, but value of the function at x equals 0 is given as 1. So now value of the function is 1 and limit of the function is 3, so it doesn't coincide. So it means the function is not continuous at x is equal to 0. Okay, or other way we can say, if we want to draw this function, we will start from -1 first and go up to slightly less than 0. So, and at 0 we have to lift pen and go to fx as 1, and then we again come back to this equation for positive side. So we have to lift pen, that is not continuous.